Hello, today I'm going to show you how to download recordings from Zoom meetings or school lectures, anything of that nature. First, you would obviously click the link to go to where the recording is. If a teacher records a meeting all by themselves without any other students or anything present, usually it will only be one download file. That is simple enough to download because you click that download, you select exactly where you want the download to go, and save it, and then you're ready to read it because it puts all of the parts, this audio transcript, as well as the audio file and the video file, are all done in one, and it saves it all as one. Oftentimes, if you are getting a recording of something that was recorded with other people in the room, say a conference, a class meeting, or anything, you will have a different type of download. This here, you see it says download for files. What it does is it separates a file for the chat messages that were in the room at the time, the audio transcript, which is the text-based version of what it believes everybody said. Then the third file is just an audio recording, no visual. And the fourth would be the full video recording. So when you click on a download for this, it's going to pop up 4 different dialog windows to save as, because it wants you to save all parts. And it's just downloading everything all at once. So you have to wait for the dialog boxes to pop up. So let's click on it here. There's 1 dialog, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, and 4 boxes. And you have to wait before you try to do anything else with the files until all of those boxes have popped up. Otherwise, if you start trying to put it into an area to create it, and that it will just cause you problems because it'll snap to the other dialog box as you're trying to save the one. If you're already in the folder where you want to be, you can just start saving. If you aren't, then of course you'd have to select what folder, like you say you were here. All of them are going to open up into the same thing to start with. So you would then select the folder that you wanted to put it into, and you would click save. See, this says recording new chat. So that means that's going to be the chat messages file. This one here says recording transcript. That's going to be the audio transcript file. Next, you have the MPEG for video, but see, it does not have a resolution size for the screen. So this version of the file is your audio only recording of the file. And this here is the final one. This one that has the resolution, that's 1600 by 1800, that is the full visual version. So if anybody shared their screen to see the pictures of people, this is that particular file, and that's usually the one you're going to want. But I save all the files so that sometimes you can't understand what someone was saying. Sometimes that audio transcript will help, and so on and so forth. So once you click that last one to save, then you'd be able to open it up however you normally would to watch videos on your media player or whatever else you have on your computer.